Hi, I'm Vincent Luciani, CEO of Artefact. Artefact is a French gem that is now among the world leaders in data and AI services. It's no secret. For years, there has been a growing need for data skills. It is a trend among clients that will keep accelerating in the coming years. With the School of Data, our goal is twofold. Train the talent of tomorrow and democratize access to data for individuals and companies. We're in the field daily, in touch with customers. We see real-time evolving needs. We aim to train every person to be desirable for hiring. Join the School of Data, be at the heart of the reactor, live to the rhythm of artifacts, rub shoulders with our teams on a daily basis. You will be trained by our experts who work for the largest international groups. You will train from real-life situations on the latest tools. Lastly, you'll also have an Artefact mentor to assist you in your future career. When you graduate, you'll have direct access to job prospects with us or our partners. And you'll join a vast community of enthusiasts with over 4,000 people already trained. In conclusion, the School of Data is the DNA of artifacts that will imprint on your career. It's a recipe that works with 90% of our graduates finding a job within 6 months of their training. Whether you want to change careers or improve your skills, our school is here to provide you with a tailored solution. Join us. We look forward to working together.